brothers and sisters of Ocean View. Today I'm going to very quickly show you how to put in a ticket for our ticket system, the chapter help desk. Why put in a ticket? Well, just like in IT, we have to be able to keep track of and identify requests and trends. We can quickly assign requests to stewards or other member leaders. We want to quickly get you the help you need without you figuring out what number to call or who to talk to. It's all in one place. Most importantly, if you need our assistance, you have given us your written permission to help you. Now, I want to stress that tickets are stored on a completely separate server outside the district and remain confidential. This ticket system is specific to our chapter. Other CSEA chapters may have a different system for keeping track of union requests. We do not share this information with the district or anyone other than your union leaders and CSEA paid staff, including our labor relations representative. If we do have to share information outside of CSEA to help you with your case, we will always ask you first. The first thing to do is open any web browser and go to www.csea375.org/help and you'll get this screen. Click Submit Ticket and enter your personal or home email address. It is very important that you do not enter your district email. We won't be able to assist you if you enter your district email address, since those emails may become public record. Yikes. Next, select the category that closely reflects your request. Most people will choose job concerns, but if you have a question about your union or chapter business, click Union Questions and General Info. If you have questions about hiring, promotions, or the merit system, click the Merit System category. On the next screen, you'll enter your request. You can CC other members if you like, but please provide personal email addresses. Enter a brief summary of your request on the subject line, then start typing your request in the message field. Add any attachments that may help, including scanned documents. We ask that you provide your personal phone number and the best time to call you. Once you are done, click Submit. That's it! You'll be provided a ticket number to your personal email address. You can simply reply to emails from the ticket system to respond to messages. Please remember that we're all volunteers, so while you might not hear from us within an hour, we try really hard to get back to you as soon as we can. If you'd like to check on the status for your ticket, go to www.csea375.org/help and click Track a Ticket. Then enter your personal email address you used and the ticket number. Remember, CSEA is here for you. We look forward to helping you with whatever issue you may be having, and thank you for trusting your union.